I'm working on the last 6 rows of my latch hook rug, the Lighthouse. I just thought I would share a few stitches with you today. I try to sort out my little pieces of yarn that comes in packages like this, and I lay them out according to how the grid has it marked. Now when I finish these last 6 rows, I still have to go up to the top part and add a row or 2 on each side, because somehow or another, I think when I started this, I was trying to go by the markings that's on the canvas. I don't know, this mesh. And I discovered when I started working on it a couple of weeks ago it was, I was off. So I fixed that part and got the counts right across. And now I will just go up in whatever color each row has at the beginning on the left and at the end on the right. And I'm just going to add those extra colors in. So I'm down. The part I'm working on now is at the lower part where the fence is. I am bound and determined to finish this project because I have other things that I want to work on, but I am tired of having things that I started years ago that are unfinished. So I think my goal is to finish those. I have a sewing machine cover, and I don't have the book that the pattern is in, but I'm going to wing it, and I'm just going to try to finish it. It was one from an old Georgia Bone Steel video from our PBS channel years and years ago, and it has a sewing machine on one side and a rooster on the other side, and I just about have it all hand quilted, but I didn't cut the section that goes around the sides and across the top out. So I've got to figure out what size I'm going to do that. I have a Georgia Bone Steel book, but it does not have that sewing machine cover pattern in there. I could probably go find the book at the library. All right, there is 2 more sections done. These are in sections of 10 across, 10 little squares across. So I've done 30 of the little yarn loops. So now I've got to go to the next one, and I'll kind of show you how I lay them out. So I need 2 whites for this one, and then this color, this gray, is called nickel, and then I need 2, 4, 6, 7 whites, So there's 4, 6, and 7. So that will be the next 10, and then I will find the seam. So for the next 10, I need a white and a nickel and 7 whites again. Six and 7. Okay, I'm going to continue working on this. This will be it for today. Hopefully the next time I pop on here, I will have all of my loops on, my loops of yarn. So I just wanted to give a little progress update and just check in, see how everybody's doing. Have a blessed day. Be kind. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment, ask questions if you would like. Anyway, this is about how much I have left to do. Like I said, I've got 6 rows left, and I'm almost there. Bye.